Hey girls, if you're looking for something interesting to make your room look pretty, then watch this video till end because in this video I will be showing you 3 different DIY room decor ideas that makes your room look pretty. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So for our first idea, take 2 cardstock paper or even you can also use cardboard piece. It's totally optional and up to you. And then take a permanent marker, draw a straight line and make a triangle to the one end of the line as you can see in the video. Actually, here I am drawing a arrow, so you can be creative in drawing this or else you can use the same design which I am drawing here. It's totally optional and up to you. And then take some fake flowers or else you can make them like I have done here. It's very easy to make. Let me know in the comment section if you want a tutorial on this. Definitely I will be making that for you. So here I made 2 different designs on 2 different cardstock paper. And then start gluing the flowers with some hot glue. And voila, here is the final result. Let me know in the comment box what do you guys think. So moving to our second idea, take a square sheet of cardboard piece and wrap this cardboard piece with some black sheet of paper. And then take an empty eggshell, paint it well with some acrylic color or any poster color, something like this. And wait until it's dry. The color option is totally up to you. Here I went with blue and pink one. Moving to our next step, take a small piece of eggshell and give it a nice shape and glue it something like this as you can see in the video. Once you're done, it's gonna look something like this. Moving to the next step, take a pencil and start writing something on it, a word or anything. It's totally optional. Here I went with a word called laugh. Once when you're done with it, go ahead and start writing this with a white paint with a fine brush. If you haven't found any fine brush, even you can use an old eyeliner brush like how I'm using here. Once you're done, it's gonna look something like this. Using the same process, make 2 more cards. And now start placing the card something like this as shown in the video. Here I went with some words like leaf, laugh and love. And we also need some ribbon. Now fold the ribbon into half and cut out around 4 strips as shown in the video. Now start gluing the ribbon to the card with some hot glue and so on. and also glue a piece of ribbon to the top of the card. And yeah, it's done! And yeah, here's the end result, and the end results look so beautiful and awesome. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. And for the last idea, print out a baby elephant image, or you can draw it like I have done here. And then take a cardboard sheet, trace the image and then cut it out. And when you're done, go ahead and start sticking the images on a color sheet paper and cut it out as you can see in the video. And repeat the same thing with the rest of the elephant images. And moving to our next step, make a tassel with some wool and start adding the beads, pearls, etc. and secure the end well. And once you're done, it's gonna look something like this. And then take some thread or wool or any ribbon, it's totally up to you, you can go with anything. And then secure the one end of the thread to the tassel as you can see in the video. And once you're done, go ahead and start gluing the elephant images with some hot glue by leaving the space between them. And repeat the same thing until you reach the end. And moving to our final step, cut out two different sizes of circles with a different color paper. And when you're done, go ahead and start gluing them something like this as you can see in the video. And repeat the same thing until you reach the end. And yeah, here is the end result, and the end results look so beautiful and creative. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more interesting DIY videos. Until then, bye bye, see you in my next video.